What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is finally the day. I'm gonna waste no time on this. We're lifting the Wrangler. All of our powder coated pieces are done. This thing will be lifted in no time.
That could have been bad.
but do they spin though? Where's my next lug nut? There you go. Okay.
I told you it wasn't gonna go down.
Oh, wow. That's ignorant. I've never seen it. That bitch is tooted, booted, wide.
What are you doing?
Scratching everything up. I think we'll twist this down, and maybe we'll take that out. No, I can't. That's a shame.
Yeah, just turn around. All through.
Guys, it's been a long 2 days. I am super exhausted, guys. But real quick, let's walk around this because I know I did like zero talking this entire video, zero explaining. But since I built my 2017 Ram 2500 for SEMA in 2019, we had these coilovers. We had the an extra set. Somehow we ended up with an extra set. Here they are. So I put them to good use, and they are on our Wrangler. They look super good in there. And we actually, like I said, we mated these with the Skyjacker coilover brackets. The reason why we went with those, it keeps all the factory mounting locations, the factory mounting points, and all of that. So makes it super easy to convert any Wrangler to coilovers, and that's why we did that. This Beltec lift actually came with quick disconnect sway bar, like end links, kind of made for like a Rubicon. But when you do that, obviously the pins are made to come out easy with zero like force. It makes the Jeep clanky. It's good in off-road situations, but completely on-road, we just deleted them. We used 2 like hard bolts just to keep this thing, you know, tight. We want it tight. We don't want any clanks. We don't want any bangs. We don't want anything. And we achieved that by, you know, deleting the quick disconnect and making it non-quick disconnect, just standard sway bar, you know, adjustable sway bar end link here. Same thing over here, coilover mount with the Skyjacker. I've got these tuned all the way down. In the back, it's actually super cool. Normal on most vehicles, coilovers mount vertically. Well, on the Wranglers, because shock mount and shock mount, they mount diagonally back, which gives it a very mean and aggressive look from the rear, which is absolutely incredible. Okay guys, so under here, obviously you can see track bar bracket is on that side, and you can also see the angle of those coilovers. That never sees. Good. God, never sees everywhere. Guys, use never sees on any threaded parts, whether you're in like Arizona or Ohio like me. Never sees. You'll thank yourself down the road. But track bar brackets on that side, you can see that crazy coilover angle. We did have to take that brake line right here, bend it in a little bit for clearance. That wasn't really in the instructions, but we did it anyway. That was super sweet. New sway bar in the rear. It's actually got three positions for tightness. The further in you go on the mounting locations, it gets tighter in the rear, so less body roll. Then over here, guys, obviously you can see getting these coilover brackets made. You know, we had to drill a couple holes, and then we got those bolts in there, but it pretty much mounts to your factory shock bracket, both on the top and bottom. But the kit comes with support brackets that pretty much mount to existing holes, and you drill maybe 1 or 2. In this instance, there's about 5. But on the bottoms, both front and rear, there's only like 3-4 holes max you gotta drill both times. In the rear, there's a lot more. But it pretty much beefs up your factory shock mounts so it can support, 1, the weight of the entire vehicle, and 2, those coilovers in there. So guys, this has been a crazy ride with this Wrangler. I know when I started this, I could tell you it was not anywhere in my head looking like this, but I think it turned out amazing. Let me know in the comments below, slap this video a thumbs up if you think so as well. It's coming together, and in the next video you should see it all put together and exteriorly finished. Couple other things like spare tire support and that stuff will come in when it comes in. You know, we'll slap it on, but I think this thing's turning out pretty darn cool for what it is, and it's just like a unique random Jeep, but it's fat, it's dope, and like I think we did a good job on this one. If you enjoyed this video, shoot a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe, drop me a comment if you haven't already. Take care. I'll see you guys when this Jeep is done. I'm really excited for that, and I can't wait to be driving this thing. Sunshine State, no top, no doors, having a blast, because that's what these things are all about. So, yeah guys, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one.